Hello students, so let us start with the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. You already know that in physical properties part we mainly focus upon two physical properties. One is boiling point and the second one is solubility. So let us first see the boiling point of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones possess polar carbonyl group. So what is the reason behind the polarity of the carbonyl group? See, due to the electronegativity difference between carbon and oxygen, oxygen attracts the pi electron on itself and hence gains negative charge and carbon gains positive charge. So due to this, the carbonyl group becomes polar in nature. Hence they possess weak dipole-dipole interaction between the molecules. So aldehyde molecules possess dipole-dipole interaction between them and ketone molecules also possess dipole-dipole interaction between them. Now let us see the order of boiling points between various organic compounds. Carboxylic acid and alcohols have higher boiling point than ketones and aldehydes, and aldehydes have higher boiling points than ethers and hydrocarbons. Now we already know that boiling point depends upon the intermolecular forces of attraction. So let us see the intermolecular forces of attraction between different organic compounds. Carboxylic acids and alcohols possesses intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Aldehydes and ketones possesses dipole-dipole force. And hydrocarbon, being non-polar, possesses weak van der Waals forces of attraction. Now we already know that stronger is the intermolecular forces, higher is the boiling point. Now we have also learned in 11th standard that hydrogen bonding is stronger than dipole-dipole force and dipole-dipole forces are stronger than weak van der Waals forces, and that is why carboxylic acids and alcohols have higher boiling point than aldehydes and ketones, and ethers being weakly polar and hydrocarbons being non-polar possesses lower boiling point than isomeric aldehydes and ketones. Now let us learn the second physical property, which is solubility. The lower members of aldehydes and ketones family up to 3 carbon atoms are soluble in water. Now why they are soluble in water? Because they can form hydrogen bonding with water molecules due to the presence of polar carbonyl groups. Now as the number of carbon atoms in the alkyl part of aldehydes and ketones increases, the solubility decreases. Why? Because the tendency to form hydrogen bonding also decreases. The solubility of aromatic aldehydes and ketones is much more less than the solubility of aliphatic aldehydes and ketones due to the presence of large hydrocarbon part such as benzene ring. All aldehydes and ketones are soluble in organic solvents such as benzene, ether, alcohol and chloroform. So this was the physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Now let us move to the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones.